In a recent verdict, the Federal High Court in Abuja dismissed a case challenging Honorable Akolade David Alabi's eligibility as the National President of the Association of Local Governments of Nigeria, ALGON. The claimants argued that Alabi, the former president, held office in Barigal Local Council Development Area in Lagos State, which is not recognized as one of Nigeria's 774 local government areas. Justice Eko ruled that such matters fall within ALGON's jurisdiction and can be addressed through its internal processes. The plaintiffs were criticized for repetitive claims, leading to a fine of 100,000 naira against them in favor of Alabi, the second defendant. Now, senior advocates of Nigerian Wahab Shitu and Aminu Muwazu, respondents, provided their perspective on the ruling.
The plaintiffs came to court without the consent and authority of the trustees, and it is right that the real power base in an action commenced on behalf of the incorporated trustees are the trustees. So they came to court without authority, without consent, and so they failed. Secondly, the court also noted that the defendants, the plaintiffs, have been instituting a multiplicity of actions in several courts on the same subject matter, what they call forum shopping. And the court on that ground also struck out the case. In the earlier ruling, the court also mentioned that they don't have local standard. Significantly, when you want to commence an action of this nature, but you must also be guided by the rules of court. The plaintiffs have also not obeyed the rules of court. They have not filed a pre-action notice to show that they have complied, that the suit that they have instituted, and that there's no guarantee that there's multiplicity of suit. That is the requirement of the rules of procedure in the Federal High Court. They failed to file that. And so on that ground, the court also dismissed the action.
This is one judgment we have been waiting for a very long time. This has now put to rest that anybody that is not an executive member of ALGON cannot institute any legal action or otherwise against it. And that has been proved. And it has clearly stated that ALGON as an association has strata on how to address any misgivings or challenge or unhappiness by any member. So now we are set for a complete reunion of ALGON. We are set to move ALGON forward. And this has really vindicated our immediate past president, Honorable Barrister Kolade Alabi. So I enjoin others too, even those that constituted this failed case, to contribute in bringing the Nigerian people at the grassroots together and contribute in making local government councils work in Nigeria, not to be bothering and distracting the leadership of ALGON.
After the judgment, Alabi expressed his satisfaction, stating that it will resolve ongoing disputes.
The court decision is far-reaching to us in ALGON because this will lay to rest all these wrong agitations of these charlatans. They engage in forgery and falsification of documents to institute actions and matters against us in court, which we think is an abuse of court process. So we thank the judiciary once again for upholding the rule of law. Thank you.